So guys, this is the boot lid of my Saab 9.3. It's a 2006, and I've actually discovered an issue that nobody seems to be realizing at the moment. On the 9.3, Saab have fitted a rear fog light on the left hand side and on the right hand side. However, this being a UK model, the fog light should have been fitted either on the center line or to the right of the center line. It turns out what they've actually done is they've wired the one on the left as the fog light and left the one on the driver's side not working at all, not wired up. There's a bulb in there, but it's not wired up. So here's the plan. Simple. This yellow wire I've just added in. I'll clip it up later on, but I'm going to simply connect it over one side to the other to have the fog light working on both sides. I mean, how easy can this be? I know I'm using some Scotch lock clips and so forth. Not what I would normally do. However, in this situation, I'm not really in my own garage, and I've just got to make do with what I can. So, simple as, lads. Scotch lock onto the pink wire, which is going into the original fog light. Simply slip in the additional yellow, lock off the Scotch lock, give it a good squeeze, close it, job done. Over to the opposite side and do exactly the same. I'll just see, can I turn the camera around a little bit? And I'm not sure if you're in focus or whatever there, lads. Can't really see you. Anyway, the plan is same thing on the other side. Scotch lock on, put the yellow wire, clamp it to the pink wire, lock the Scotch lock, problem sorted. A lot of people may not think or realise this, but the fog light being to the left of the center line of the car is actually illegal in the UK. So there you go, lads. Simple fix. Now we have both fog lights working on both sides. Okay.